Step-by-step guide on how you can add a Chipotle gift card to the app. First, you want to download and open the Chipotle app. Just get it on your phone and go to your account. Once you have been logged in, you type on the account icon, usually found at the bottom of the screen, and then you have to access the payment methods. In your account settings, you look for payment or payment methods as an option. You want to add the gift card. You will choose add payment method or look for the gift card option. Then you just gotta enter the gift card number and PIN, usually found on the back of the physical card or in the email if it's a digital card. Scratch off the covering to reveal the PIN if necessary. You want to save the gift card, so after entering the details, save the gift card. It will now be available as a payment option when you make an order through the Chipotle app. Using the gift card for payment, when you're ready to place an order, just go to the checkout and select the gift card as your payment method. The balance from the gift card will be applied to your purchase. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.